In the world of kitchen basics, the simple hand mixer is pretty special. It's great for delicate cooking tasks like beating eggs or getting cake batter just right. When you want something lighter and more affordable than the big stand mixer, the hand mixer is the way to go. Hand mixers were first created when simplicity and practicality became important in the kitchen. These handheld devices were introduced to make tasks like whipping cream or blending ingredients easier. Home cooks liked them because they were small, easy to store, and soon became a common tool in kitchens worldwide. Now I've listed the top 5 hand mixers known for being efficient and easy to use. They come with features like variable speed settings and lightweight designs, making them perfect for various mixing tasks without taking up too much space in your kitchen. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So if you're on the lookout for a reliable hand mixer to simplify your baking and cooking experiences, stay tuned for insights into the top contenders of 2024. Number 5. Cuisinart Origem 100 Evolution X. If you're in need of best rechargeable hand mixer, consider this one. It's a mixer that I find quite handy. The black color gives it a sleek look that fits well in any kitchen. One great feature is that it's fully rechargeable. In just 2 hours, you can have it fully charged and ready to go. What I appreciate is the quick charge option, perfect for when you're in a hurry. It offers a solid 20 minutes of continuous runtime, which is quite practical. The controls are simple with a push-button mechanism, and the LED display makes it easy to adjust the 5 variable speeds. I like the stainless steel blade material. It feels sturdy. And at 7.4 volts, the lithium-ion power is impressive. What's also convenient is that it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. It is a manual hand mixer, but its features make it a reliable choice for anyone in need of a cordless and efficient kitchen companion. Number 4. Lil Partner KD960. My pick for the best value with attachments is this hand mixer. It comes in sleek black, and its compact dimensions of 7.6 inches in diameter, 3.1 inches in width, and 5.3 inches in height make it a space-efficient addition to your kitchen. The stainless steel blades ensure durability, while the adjustable speed control and turbo boost feature add functional flexibility. With a generous capacity of 0.86 grams, it's a reliable kitchen companion. The standout feature is the scale cup storage case, a handy addition for holding water and flour during use. Plus, the parts neatly fit into the box for organized storage after use. Operating the hand mixer is a breeze with its one-button eject design and fixed stainless steel beaters, making cleaning and switching attachments convenient and safe. Equipped with a powerful 450-watt motor and 5 variable speed settings, along with an extra turbo button, this hand mixer is efficient and quick. The package includes 5 versatile stainless steel attachments, 2 dough hooks, 2 beaters, and a whisk, perfect for various cooking or baking needs. And for peace of mind, Lil Partner offers excellent after-sales service with 24-hour online customer support and a 365-day free replacement policy for product problems. Number 3. Black+Decker NX600W. This is my choice for the best multipurpose mixer. It comes in a clean white color, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen. The compact design, measuring 3.8 inches in diameter, 10.87 inches in width, and 9.8 inches in height, ensures it won't take up much counter space. What makes it stand out is the 2 times more beater surface area, providing enhanced contact with ingredients for precise mixing control. The set includes 2 helix beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 1 wire whisk, offering versatility for various recipes. The reinforced nylon beaters are robust, handling tough mixes with consistent durability. Control is at your fingertips with the push-button interface, offering 5 speeds and a turbo boost for tackling any mixing task. It's not dishwasher safe, but cleaning is a breeze with the snap-on storage case keeping everything organized. Number 2. KitchenAid Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer. In my opinion, it's the best cordless hand mixer out there. It's got this sleek empire red color, pretty compact. The blade is made of stainless steel, and it's a manual mixer with push-button controls. Plus, it's got a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts a good while. There's even a battery indicator light, so you know when it's time to charge. Charging is a breeze with the included charger, working for all products in the suite. Quick tip, 10 minutes of charge can stir up a cake batter recipe. Neat, right? What's cool is it stands on its own, lifting the beaters out of the bowl. And the 7 speeds cover everything. Slow stir to high speed for whipping egg whites. It's got a soft start feature too, preventing splatters. Complete your cordless collection with the 5-cup food chopper and variable speed hand blender, sold separately. This model comes with 2 dishwasher-safe turbo beater accessories and 1 charger. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric. Compact and efficient, it's my top pick for the best storage solution hand mixer. Need hassle-free mixing? The easy clean beaters make it happen. No more clogging, just smooth blending every time. And here's a game changer. The snap-on storage case keeps all attachments in one place. Say goodbye to lost beaters. With 7 versatile attachments, including easy clean and traditional beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, it's got you covered for any recipe. Plus, they easily pop out for quick dishwasher cleanup. Don't underestimate its power minus 275 watts of peak power ensure effortless mixing, whether you're kneading dough or whipping cream. Adjust the speed to your liking with 6 different settings, from a slow fold to a high-speed whip. And if you need an extra boost, there's the quick burst function. Practical, powerful, and neatly stored, Hamilton Beach nails it with this 6-speed electric hand mixer. So that's it, everyone. Your guide to the best hand mixers of 2024. If you're ready to whip up some culinary magic, go ahead and explore the links in the description for the latest prices. If our insights made your decision easier, show some love with a thumbs up, share the scoop with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned for more exciting content, helpful tips, and reviews. Happy mixing!